Hi guys. Well, I just finished painting this little guy, and I used a combination of fast drying plastic paint and polyurethane, and I had watched a video that somebody else posted that was supposed to smooth out the layers, and it did in some areas, but like right there between his head and his body, the layers are still pretty visible. So it didn't have as much of an effect as I had hoped. You can still really see the layers on his face, but the paint stuck very well. So all in all, it's not bad. It just didn't quite do as well as I had hoped. But just a second and I'll show you what I used. I used this paint and this polyurethane, and the way he said to do it was do a medium thick coat of the paint, quickly followed by the polyurethane. Do your coats 20 minutes apart, and then wait a full day. I can include a link to that video in the description. So anyway, that's just my first attempt at painting, and I will be trying other things, and I will share them with you too. Bye bye for now.